video detailing about shadow boxing, things about shadow boxing that many miss, especially women. Women miss the advantages of shadow boxing, for example, time-wise, where you get all the benefits that people go in if they want to get aerobically stronger. They go to the gym and they do things, boxings, but this is like a sustained exercise, and you can do it by yourself. You can take it to whatever level you want. So you don't want to pick a lazy shadow boxer, or maybe you do, you know. So you put one foot forward and just get used to doing this hand. Now here's the part that makes like people don't realize about shadow boxing is when you're throwing combinations, you're moving your entire body, and it's this is where you get the fastest results. You lose belly fat fast because you're using that the whole time with both hands. You don't have to go for, but it's fun. See, no one gets hurt. Boxing is science in the ring. It's like martial arts. You don't fight, you don't fight. It's for defense. It's to get the sophistication of the human factor. On this page where the science is shared, the identity. And the identity is valuable, gosh. It's identity of relationship to itself, discernibly, distinctly, and non-distinctly. Where and how it is the ground. The ground, science. That's it is native pure vaccines. It teaches things. I think